Today I wanted to talk about hard inquiries and soft inquiries. What are the differences? So a hard inquiry is an inquiry that you initiated for the purpose of credit. So like a vehicle, a bank loan, a credit card, those are hard inquiries. You initiated them and it's for the purpose of credit. A soft inquiry is an inquiry that typically you did not initiate. And if you did initiate it, it wasn't for the purpose of credit. So for example, if you go look at your credit, on a site online, that's a soft inquiry. If you go get insurance for your vehicle and they pull your credit report, that's a soft inquiry. You didn't initiate that, they did. If your employer pulls your credit report, that's not for the purpose of credit, that's a soft inquiry. So that's the difference between a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry. If you have any questions, please comment or you could call me. Thank you.